Hey, you can relax now. You don't need to do anything, just let your shoulders drop. That's it. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. You're safe here. Everything around you can slow down, even your thoughts. Listen to my voice. Soft, calm, steady. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just bring your attention back, right here, right now. Imagine a warm, quiet space. Dim lights, gentle sounds. Nothing demanding your attention. You're doing perfectly, just by being here. Feel your breathing slow, your jaw unclench, your forehead soften. Let go, just a little more, and if you feel sleepy, you can let that happen. Everything can wait. You're allowed to rest.